Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to really disable Windows Defender. So let's get started. So first, if you don't know what you are doing, please close this video now, as I'm not responsible if you get any viruses that you couldn't dealt with without Windows Defender. So why would you want to do that? Well, let me tell you, if you have a very low-end machine like what I got here, you may see a process called Windows Anti-Malware Service executable sucking up your processor and RAM power. So that's Windows Defender. Now probably you have already disabled real-time protection as you are looking for this article, and this really doesn't help much as Windows Defender will still be running. And you can see that if you open Task Manager, and it will turn real-time protection by itself after a while, so turning real-time protection will not help much. So let's get into the process of disabling that. So first go to your desktop and press Windows plus R key. Now a window will pop up, it's the run menu. Just type in gpedit.msc, then a window will pop up. Now go to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, look for Windows Defender Antivirus, double click on that, then open Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus and select Enable. Now close the window and reboot your computer. If you have done everything right, it should be disabled by now. So to verify that, start Task Manager, and hopefully you will never see any Windows Defender processes anymore. Now please be careful on what sites you visit and what files you download, as if you don't have any other antiviruses, there is no protection on your PC. If you want to turn it back on, just do the same things, but instead of selecting enable, select disable or not configured. They both turn it back on, and reboot of course. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.